Hello guys, um, welcome to my channel again, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on this GMC 2012 Acadia. And it's very simple, it's not that hard to do so. So the only things I did, okay, put the car on the second position, and you can see there are some button right here, and you're gonna press this one. You see this says like oil change soon. The warning light is on right there. So but you're gonna go here, press this one, press this one, press this one. You can see there are some changes on the menu on the dashboard. So you can see there are 2%, and you can keep pressing this one. Yeah, you can see once you're gonna get it on the oil change option right there, and keep pressing this one, your oil light gonna get resetted, and now it's 100%. I have recently did oil change, but if you didn't do oil change, you don't need to reset, because it's gonna damage your car if the engine oil is bad, but you already reset it and there is no warning light. Thank you.